If stop sticks were struck by any vehicle, they are no longer fully functional and should be replaced as soon as possible. Each device has a label attached showing the purchasing agency's name. If the outside label has been removed, a hidden label can be found inside the stop stick housing. Locate the side where the label was removed. Take a sharp object and cut along the far right side of the stop stick housing. This will reveal a label with an identification number and the phone number to call. Complete the deployment reporting form online at stopstick.com and click on the deployment report icon on our homepage or under the Hit List tab. If you have any questions about replacements, call or email StopStick. If stop sticks were not struck by any vehicle, inspect the stop sticks, cord, reel, and sleeve. If undamaged, return the sleeved stop sticks to the mounting tray, storage bag, or holster for the next deployment situation.